gold or silver? Which one do you want in your mouth? Hi, my name is Mark Banks, and did you know your denture can not only be tooth colored, but you can also get custom gold and silver teeth? Now some people might think, well, why would we want this? If we go back to the 70s and 80s, gold was a very fashionable thing to have in the mouth as a filling, as an actual veneer, and then somewhere down the track it become either unfashionable or it become too expensive. I think a bit of mixture of both. But I'm definitely seeing a trend of gold in dentures come back. This year alone, we have fitted more gold teeth in dentures than in the last 5 years. Now here's some things to know about the gold. It's not going to be any weaker, it's not going to leave a funny taste, it's not going to affect the denture in any negative way at all. It is purely an aesthetics thing. So if you want to get that smile with a gold bling or a silver bling, then ask your dental prosthetist to get a custom tooth for you. And this doesn't matter if it's in fulls or partials, chromes or acrylics. You can get a whole tooth, you can get half a tooth. There's really a lot of options out there. Now, let me give you a very, very rough ballpark figure on what you could expect to pay for a gold tooth. Per tooth, I'm gonna be very broad here, but anywhere from $300 to $700, I think, will cover the cost. Now that's in prices for 2020, and of course it depends on the size of the tooth, how much weight of gold is in that tooth. Now you might not want gold in the front, you might want it on the side or even up the back in a molar. The option is yours, it's totally your choice what you want to do. Now personally, I think gold looks awesome. I've seen plenty of gold dentures this year. Silver ones do look great too. Yes, they're going to be less cost effective for you, so it's going to be a cheaper option. But still, if you want some shine, some bling in your mouth, be daring.